Before we get started, we're gonna talk on the benefits of being organized. The number one, it is a stress reliever. When you're organized and you have your things in order in the place that they should go in an organized manner, you're gonna feel like a weight's been lifted off your shoulders. So in that way, you won't be so stressed, you won't be overwhelmed with where to find something or some missing assignments that you have to do. Order has to be present in our daily lives, not just on our clothes. Whether it's supposed to be handing homework in time, making a quiz on time, preparing yourself for that quiz. There's so many things that order is involved in your daily lives. And the second benefit is that you get to sleep better. Yes, you get to sleep better. How does that work exactly? Well, if you have your things in order, you're able to find everything. You won't be doing anything last minute, so that's a huge plus for you. By doing so, you'll have more time for you. Yes, me time. What does that mean? You'll get to have more time to relax, more time to enjoy your friends. Since everything will be organized, you'll know exactly where to go and you won't lose any time, which means you'll have more time for you. So, hooray for you. Let's go. Also, by being organized, you get to be more efficient in your work and school. It means that by being organized, you know exactly where things go. As you may see, all of these benefits really connect with each other. So follow along in the video as I show you how to fold clothes with the Konmori method. This method can be used for both storing your clothes in your closet so they can fit more nicely and be more organized. And for when the pandemic is over, you'll be able to pack all of your things in a tiny carry-on. You'll be able to fit more and even carry that carry-on with you on the plane. Wouldn't that be nice? That way you'll be ready for when the pandemic's over, so kudos for you again. Now, for folding all of your long sleeve and buttoned shirts, you want to button all those buttons. You may button one every 2 buttons. The next step is to flip it upside down and make sure it's all extended so you avoid all those wrinkles. Then you fold it like this. You make sure you extend that sleeve with your hand so you avoid all those wrinkles. Do the same for the other side and stretch it. There we go. Now watch the neck. You want to make sure you fold it like this in order to protect the neck. Now you fold it in half and then half again. And if you did it right, it'll stand like this. There we go. Doesn't this look so satisfying? For your t-shirts, you want to do the exact same thing from the back, 3 parts and then half and half. And if it stands, you're doing it right. For all of your sweaters and hoodies, you'll do the exact same thing. In this case, you'll zip it up, flip it back, fold it in 3 parts, make sure it's extended so you avoid all those wrinkles, and then half, protect the neck, half and half, and if it stands, it's right. Yes. Now, for all of your pants, you want to fold them in half, extend them so you avoid all those wrinkles, and then fold that part like that, fold it in half, and there we go, half and half. And if it stands, you're doing it right. So, there we go. Now, for storing these, they're just as easy to pile up and you'll have no wrinkles. So by the time when you have to pick something for your next day, you'll pick it easily. You may see them by color and you may pick the one you like easily. And for the travelers, you may fit them however you like in your carry-on, just like this. And off you go. And that's how you do it with the Konmori method. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for more of the Adulting 101 and 102 series. Thank you.